Hello there, my wife Lisa and I just got done watching Evil Dead Rise. It's 1 hour 36 minutes from 2023, rated R. Bloodthirsty demons descend on an LA apartment building whose inhabitants include a single mother and her family. I thought that they did a really good job. It stayed very much in theme with the Evil Dead franchise. If you're a fan of the Evil Dead franchise, I would say that this is one that you would enjoy. It has a lot of gore.
You got a hand of blood, okay?
A couple of small jump scares, but I really didn't jump too much. More than anything, it's extremely gory. Very, very violent.
Yeah, just think of The Shining during the elevator or whatever scene. Just think of that through the whole movie.
It's pretty bloody. It's pretty bloody.
And let's say it's not a slow starter.
No.
It's pretty fast.
Definitely, if you're not into the whole gore thing,
skip this.
Skip it, because that's what this movie has to offer is gore and some more gore, and they throw a little gore on top of the gore.
They mostly have a gore truck out front. And they just start pumping it.
I enjoyed it. I thought it was very entertaining. Definitely kept me interested to see what was going to happen, and.
Yeah, it's worth a watch. I say 100%.
And I felt like the CGI that they did worked well. Like, I didn't notice anything really like sketchy, weird.
There was a couple CGI, but a lot of it is just makeup.
I'm saying what they did do, I feel like it played off really well.
It blended in well with the movie. Yes.
But it also didn't hyper focus on those scenes, which I think helps to not hyper focus on the CGI. But yeah, I would recommend it.
100%.
I'll put a link to this on Amazon if you're interested in renting it or buying it. If you've seen Evil Dead Rise, let me know what you thought of it. Thank you so much for watching. And let's go ahead and rate this between 1 and 5 stars. I would give it a solid 4 out of 5.
Yeah, 4.5.
4.5, yeah.
It's up there.
I'd say it was
a good one.
They hit the mark. They really did. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.